I think at some point in every freelancer's career, you kind of find your, I'll say, cojones. And for me, it was the project that I work on for Michael Hyatt. Now, I'll admit right up front, I'm not blameless in that. There were a lot of mistakes I made. I was new to freelancing. I was naive. And I didn't realize that it was 100% on me as the freelancer to set and manage expectations, no matter how famous or experienced the client is. But however we got to where we got, I had to draw the line somewhere because it was 9 p.m. on a Sunday night. I bet you can probably guess where this is going. But unbeknownst to me, Michael and his team had been working on a relaunch of their membership site and a new sales letter design, which I was going to be on the hook for. And they were planning on launching it Monday morning. So like I said, it was 9 p.m. on Sunday evening. I get an email. Hey, here's the redesign for the sales letter. I had no idea they were working on a redesign for the sales letter, but they said, can you have this ready by 8 a.m. tomorrow morning as we're planning on reopening registration again? Well, I think I wrote about 1,000 angry emails in the 5 minutes before I responded, but all I could really muster without going off in an angry rant was, no, I'll work on it first thing in the morning. And I hit send, and I went to bed. I was very angry, but I was just, that's all I'm going to do. I'm going to bed. Well, you can imagine about how that went over. And of course, I got the talking to, but I held my ground. I thought it was kind of ridiculous that I had no prior notice, and they expected me to just, work all night on it without any prior notice or warning. So I held my ground. And we didn't part ways right then and there, but that was sort of the beginning of the end of me working on that project. And they were paying me a ton of money, but no amount of money is worth my self-respect. And I learned and embraced that day. In any case, I find a lot of freelancers, they get nervous when thinking about working with these kind of clients, what I call 10K clients. But the truth is, most of them are just as disorganized and winging it as you and I are. Matter of fact, my little brother, he's consulted and worked with clients like Google, Amazon, Nike, Office Depot, about every brand that you could probably think of. And a lot of those companies, they're train wrecks internally. The idea that these companies are super organized and you're going to look like some noob, or these clients are super organized and have all their stuff together and you're going to look like a noob, that's mostly in your head. They're just as disorganized as the rest of us. In fact, you'll probably find that you're more organized than them, because this is the thing that you think about day in and day out. So, I don't know, if you've been thinking about charging more for your services and been feeling nervous about whether you can do it, whether you can really handle these kind of clients, all I can say is trust me, these clients, they're not the geniuses that you imagined in your head. Matter of fact, they need your help, often desperately need your help in order to do the things that they want to do. So, I don't know, maybe that gives you a shot of confidence to just go for it if you've been thinking about charging more and trying to go after these kind of clients. But if you want to give it a shot, I will show you how to create and craft the kind of services that these clients want. And either way, whether you decide to, charge 10K or whatever it is, decide to charge those prices or not, you're going to learn a ton about increasing the perceived value of your services, which is going to help you get hired more easily and be able to charge more if that's what you want to do. Anyway, that's up to you, but I have a free training I put together called 13 Tactics to Triple What You Charge. So if you want to learn how to do that, you can just go to 13tactics.com. Again, completely free training. Just head over to 13tactics.com. All right, that'll do it for this episode. Thanks for listening. We'll talk to you next time.